think I'll just have another ale.
Oh, no you don't. Go on.
So there I was, at the mercy of three monstrous trolls. And they were all arguing amongst themselves about how they were going to cook us, whether it be turned on a spit, or whether they should sit on us one by one, squashed into jelly. Oh, they spent so much time arguing the weathertooths and the bifrost that the sun's first light crept over the top of the trees and turned them all to stone.
No, the big one, big one.
Done.
Supposed to stick it in the ground.
It is in the ground.
Outside.
That was your idea.
Watch out for the dragon!
Dragon? Nonsense, there's been a dragon in these parts for 1,000 years.
That was good.
Let's get another one.
Mary Addock Brandybuck and Peregrine Took. I might have known.